Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. So my name is L'Oreal Martinez. I'm one of Pelta's Lego Education Trainer. Um, and for today, I will show you one of our application that we're using in robotics. This one is called the Lego Digital Designer 4.3. Okay, so let's start. So Lego Digital Designer 4.3 um, is a software that lets you build model with virtual Lego bricks. You can even get parts list and build instructions so you can build your model in real life. So meaning this application um, it used to build robots. Okay, so and other Lego design that you want. For example, you want to build a WeDo robot like um, the pulley. You can also build it here, and in EB3 you can also build the robot educator. Okay, so next. Okay, so once you open the Lego Digital Designer software, so this one will appear. So the three interfaces of the LGD. Okay, so the first one is this digital design. So in digital design, build your dream model from a huge selection of bricks. So usually in this section, you can build more on the We do robots. Okay. Then next, the second one is the Lego Mindstorms. And work with all the bricks from the unique robot set. So meaning all the Mindstorm core set like NXT, EB3, RCX is all in here in this section in Mindstorms. Okay. Then the third one and the last one is the Lego Digital Designer Extended. So choose the LDD Extended theme if you want to mix bricks and color, switch out limitations. So in here, meaning all the Lego set, um, like Mindstorms, like Lego toys, like any other special elements like trees, animals is in here in Digital Designer Extended. So you can the kids can use their creativity, imagination to build anything they want here. Okay. So let's proceed. So here in different, let's proceed here. So the first one is the build mode. So the build mode is the place where in there you can build or start creating your own robot design from scratch. So click build to enter build mode where you can build and edit your model and see. Okay, that's the build mode section. Okay. The next is the building guide mode. So building guide mode gives you access to the building guide player which you can use to play through the different steps in your building guide. So in here, for example, you're done with building your robot and you want to share it with the others. So you can create or you can make an instruction of the robot that you build and you can share it to anyone. Okay. And the last one excuse me, is the view mode. So in view mode, and this mode lets you view your model with different backgrounds. So meaning you can change the background. Okay, and you can also use the explode button to explore your model. Excuse me. Proceed. Okay, LDD controls. So first, and the most important is the mouse controls. So if you click the left, yan, select a brick or move it around on the scene, it you click. So this one is to change the camera angle using the left click of your mouse. Then right mouse click and rotate. Scene camera view, mouse wheel controls. Okay, for a while. Okay. Okay, let's proceed. Sorry for let's go back to the presentation. Okay, there. So next is the camera controls. So first we have the rotate view. Okay, so we have the shortcut keys. And numlock numbers 8, 2, 4, and 6. So you can rotate the camera view using either the buttons on the camera control or your keyboard. The next, zoom view. So in zoom view, you can click numlock plus and keys and select the plus and keys on your keyboard or the plus and buttons on the camera control to zoom in or zoom out. Okay. The next, reset view. So reset view and numlock number 5. Click reset to return the viewpoint to its standard position with all bricks and models visible and centered on the scene. The next, pan view. Shortcut only. Shift plus right click. Hold down the shift key and click the right button to pan your model from the left, right, top, or bottom. So later, um, I will show you on how to use this, the mouse control and the camera control. Okay, then the icon bar. So icon bar, so we have different icon bars here. So first, we have welcome screen or the one with like house. So when we click this, meaning we will go back to the home screen. Okay, so open a new document with a blank sheet. Then save. For example, you're done with the robot design. So you can simply click this one, the save, or you can use Control S as shortcut. Then undo. You can click Control Z or CMD plus Z. Take one step back to undo your last action. For example, you made a mistake and you want to uh, put it, you want to go back. Then you can simply click this one, the undo. Then redo, opposite of the undo, and Shift Control Z, Shift CMD plus Z, and take one step forward to redo your last undone action. The next is the selection tool. The selection tool or B key, use the selection tool to select single bricks in the scene. Click the selection tool button to reveal a panel containing advanced selection tool. Okay, so I guess I will show you on how to use the advanced selection tool in the actual software later when we are um, there. Okay, next, and Hine tool. We also have clone tool, Hine align tool, flex tool, paint tool, hide tool, delete tool. Then we also have the different view mode here. The build mode, view, building guide mode. Okay, then the brick palette. So when we say brick palette, meaning all the parts or the pieces that you need is in that section. Okay, so we have here the select a brick to build with. Then we also have show group, hide group. So later I will show you on how to use those buttons. Okay. Then we also have filter bricks by Lego set, and this one is one of the important thing in building. And also this one find bricks by color. Okay, now let's proceed in the software tour. Sorry. Okay, so now I will go to the actual software. Okay. There. So once you open your Lego Digital Designer software, so the first thing that will appear is this. Okay, so you need to choose Digital Designer, more on Lego we do robot sets, then Mindstorm, meaning all Mindstorm sets is in here, and we also have the last one, Digital Designer Extended, meaning all the pieces, all the parts is in here, and you can also change colors here, change the brick colors. Okay, then as you can see, I also have here my call that previously built robots, like this one. I have here the 5-minute bot, and I have two types of 5-minute bot. I also have the school bus. Then I have the practice bot there. Okay. So those are my previously open project. The next. So for example, you have a save file, but it's not here. Then you want to continue doing it. You can also click this one to open another file. Once you click this one, then you need to locate which path you save your um, creation or your design. Then if none, and it's your first time in building or using the Lego Digital Designer, you can start here in pre-build. So let's click pre-build there. So as you can see, I'm here in the building mode. Okay. Again, the building mode is the place wherein you can start building your robot. There. So as you can see, I have here the canvas, meaning I will put pieces here and build it. Okay. And so now I'm using the right click of my mouse and hold, then you can drag it to change the camera view like that. Okay. Then you can also use this arrow keys located at the left side of your left side, right side, and then up, down of your screen there. You want to spin it going left, going right, up, down. Okay. Then for example, you want to reset the view of the camera from its original. So you can click this one, the reset view. Sit. Then to zoom in, to zoom out, you can use the scroll of your mouse like that. Okay. So now, let's start building. Okay. So first, I will teach you these tools. Okay. So the first one or the first tool is the single selection tool. So single selection tool is used to select or to drag pieces from the Lego cabinet or drawer going here in the canvas. So I'll show you how. So first, um, I will open this cabinet. So once I click this add sign here, and the cabinet will be open, then all and the bricks will appear. Okay, there. So we have different sizes of bricks here. We have and one by one. We have the one by two. Okay, then if you want to get, for example, this one, the one by two, you can simply click it, click left, then automatically you can drag it here in the canvas. Then click again left, yeah, to put it there. So now I have this brick 1 by 2. Okay, so next, so let's close this cabinet, brick cabinet there. Then next we also have the multiple selection tool. So the multiple selection tool is used if you want to select multiple bricks or Lego pieces. So I will show you again. So I will drag different um, types of bricks. Okay, more there. So as you can see, I have lots of different sizes of bricks. Then I want to drag it, all of them at the same time. So you can select this multiple selection tool. Then after clicking this, select those pieces that you want to move. So first this one, then click and click, 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 click. Then if you want to change or move it, hold left click, hold then drag there. So now you can drag it anywhere you want. So that is the use of the multiple selection tool. Okay. The next is connected selection tool. So now, so I will connect it to show you how to use the connection tool. There and there. So for example, you want to drag the whole Lego pieces that is connected to each other there. So you can simply click or select this one, the connected selection tool. Excuse me. Click it, then click this. Then automatically all the connected pieces on the piece that you click will also selected also. Yeah, there. Or you can simply highlight it all if you want. And highlight, then drag. Okay, there. Then next is color selection tool. This one select color, meaning if you select red, all the red pieces that is in your robot design or in your project will automatically be selected. Okay. The next shape selection tool, meaning all the same shape. I'll show you this shape and click this one. There automatically this one will also be selected. because they have the same shape. Okay, the next is the color and shape selection tool. This one is a combination of same color and shape. Okay, the next, let's proceed. Next is the clone tool. So the clone tool is used to clone or to replicate or to copy. So let's click this. And once you click the clone tool, you can now click any part that you want to clone or replicate. So for example, this one, click it, click clone tool first, then click this one. There. Automatically, you will create a clone of the pieces that you click or that you choose. Another one, there. Okay. Then next is the Hind tool. So the Hind tool is used to rotate. So I'll show you an example for a while. So I will create a minifigure, Lego minifigure for a while. Okay, wait. I will not save it. Mhm. I need the minifigure. Okay, I think it's here. Okay, there. So first I will build my own um, character or minifigure. Then I need this one. Okay, there. Yeah. So for example, you want to spin his arm, this one. So click the Hind tool and select this arm. Then next, after clicking it or the pieces that you want to rotate, you can now this rotation wheel will appear. Then you can rotate its arm like that. See, it's rotating, spinning there. Also, the head. You can also spin the head of the minifigure there. So that is the use of the Hind tool. It's used to rotate. Okay. Then next, let's proceed. Next is the Hind align tool. So this Hind align tool, sorry. So it's used to automatically align and rotate a brick or a minifigure. Okay, so there. So once this arrow appears, okay, for a while. Okay, I think I'm having a problem. So let's skip this one. But the only use of this one is if you want to automatically connect. pieces from another. Okay. So next, let's proceed in the flex tool. So in flex tool, so the word itself flex. So in Lego Mindstorm EB3 core set or other kit, there is a flexible tool that you can bend. So that is the use of the flex tool. You can bend the parts using this tool. Okay. The next is the paint tool. So the paint tool, for example, you don't like the color of your mini figure's dress or shirt. So you can click the paint tool, then select the t-shirt of your minifigure, then different colors will appear like this. And you can choose any color you want, for example, red. There, automatically, the shirt of your minifigure will change automatically like this. Okay. The next is the hide tool. So hide tool is used to hide. So for example, you want to temporarily hide this one, the shirt of your mini figure. But first, I will put the head back, and then I will hide the shirt of my mini figure. So once you click the hide tool, you can now click the part that you want to hide. So click this, there. So automatically, yeah, the shirt will be hidden. Then if you want to put it back, you can simply click this one, the show all hidden bricks located at the upper right of your screen. Click there. Or you can also use Control Z or the undo to put it back. There. Then the last tool, this one, the delete tool. So the word itself, delete. So meaning you will delete pieces like that. Then head, delete, delete. That's it. So that is how to use those tools. Then next, let's proceed here in the cabinets. So this part is called the cabinets. Okay, so for example, you're enrolled in one of our workshop like the LDD or Lego Digital Designer workshop, wherein we're using EB3 core set there, Lego Mindstorm EB3. Then upon checking these cabinets, once you click the cabinet, there are lots of pieces. Okay, so it's so hard to find the pieces that you need. Okay, so the thing that you can do, you can go here in filter bricks by boxes, click this. Then in here you will see a selection of core sets. So we have here the LDD, meaning all the pieces, or the master parts, meaning all the pieces is in here in LDD. Then we have the Hero Factory there. In Hero Factory, it's more on Lego bodies, um, like heads, and more. Then Mindstorms, and when we say Mindstorm, meaning the robotics sets that we have. Okay, so we have the Mindstorm EB3, we have Redo, we have the Mindstorm EB3 Education, and more. And NXT, we also have NXT here. Okay, for example, you only need the Lego Mindstorm Education EB3. So simply click the Mindstorm Education EB3, this one, click, then automatically the parts will be sorted. Meaning, um, the pieces that will only appear in your cabinet is the pieces that is inside the Lego Mindstorm EB3 core set. Okay, so for example, I'll click this one, the motors or the electronic components cabinet. So click there. So all the electronic components of my or the all the electronic components of an EB3 robotic sets will appear there. It's sorted already. Like for example, this one, the intelligent brick, the motor, and the sensor. That's it. Then, for example, you need set of wheels. There we have this one. The by set. Okay, the next we also have the filter bricks by color. So this one is also useful if you want to find the pieces. Then what you only know with that pieces is its color. So you can select the color, or you can also change the color of the pieces here that you drag in the canvas. So let's try if it will work. So red, wait, again. And I think there is no red pieces in EBT, that's why it's not working. And also you can use this um, color selection tool to locate where is the red pieces or other colors. So for example, let's say white. This one, white. I'll click this. Then only the pieces that is color white will appear here. And like this. Also this one, white. See? And this one, the intelligent brick and other motors. It has color white. That's why it appears. Okay. The next is the expand there. So meaning if you click the expand divider or cabinet, all these cabinets will expand or will be open like this. Look, click there. All the cabinets will be open. Okay, but I prepare using this one. It's so easy. Okay, then for example, you're done with the robot that you build. Okay, wait, I'll open my robot. So I will show you one of our creation here in Pelta. This one is the school bus. So this one. So I'll select it. Oh, it's unfinished. Wait, I'll locate it. Wait, bus. This one, it's still unfinished. There. Okay, then for example, let's open also this one. I'll show you the 5-minute bot. There. This one is made out of EB3. Okay, then for example, you're done with the building. Then you can now proceed here in the view mode. This one. There. So once you're in the view mode here, located at the lower right of your screen, view mode, there. The background of your working space will be changed like this. Okay. Then you can also choose backgrounds if you want. And we have sea, we have space, desert, forest. Then we also have here an explode animation, meaning your robot will explode like this. Watch. There, it explode. Then you can wait. Then it will go back to its original. There. Then that's it. Last is the building guide mode. So again, in building guide mode, so this one, for example, you want to share your robot design to other um, student, and you can give this so they can follow it and build it like that. So that is the building guide mode there. That's it. So okay guys, so that's all for this Lego Digital Designer application. So for more details, wait, I'll show you this one. There. So for more details, if you want to enroll in we also have the Lego Digital Designer workshop wherein we can teach you on how to use the LDD. Okay, because this LDD workshop, this one is the introductory on how you will able to build a robot, and you can also import it in the BRT or Virtual Robotics Toolkit. Okay, so you can contact us in our Facebook page. We also have email address, and you can call us here in our cell phone number. Okay, you can also visit our YouTube channel. It's I Create Cafe Manila, and that's it. So thank you and God bless.